Make catfish barbecue at the comfort of your home with Mother T. This kind of video is not a video that you skip. You have to watch to the end so that you see every process that I use. It was salt that I poured that changed the color of the fish this way. First and foremost, wash your fish with salt and lime to get rid of the slimy body. After that, go ahead and clean it up. Give it a cut so that the ingredients will absorb. In here is pounded dry pepper, seasoning cube and salt. Then I handed over to OG the chef. He did the remaining things on the fish. He started by adding chili sauce and vegetable oil on the pounded item. Mix very well and rub on the washed catfish. He wrapped the well-seasoned catfish with foil. Wrap the fish very well as seen in this video and place on already heated charcoal oven or oven. As he's doing that, I quickly slice cabbage and carrot for side dish for the fish. Drop the city and country watching this video from in the comment section. I will send you special greetings in my next video. My today's special greetings goes to Kristen, Chidebere, and thanks for always engaging in my videos. Here I was done with the cabbage and carrots. I put it inside refrigerator. OG the chef was turning the fish every 20 minutes to avoid burning. Then I proceeded in peeling and washing my sweet potatoes. After peeling and washing the sweet potatoes, I went ahead and sliced it into size, washed it again, removed it from the water and added salt. Note you can use sweet potatoes, Irish potato, yam or plantain. Ensure the salt go around the sweet potatoes and fry it as you desire. Next is to make pepper sauce for the barbecue. I use onion, shombo, yellow and red pepper. Go ahead and fry that, season it to your choice, okay? For 40 minutes time, the fish was ready. Kudos to OG the chef for job well done. I opened it, this was so hot. Then I topped the fish with the pepper mix that we made. As you can see, the recipe came out so nice, so tasty. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.